Introduction to Memrise Difficulty Settings.
Memrise is a popular language learning app designed to help users learn new words and phrases effectively. One powerful feature is the ability to adjust lesson difficulty, making your study sessions more personalized. Choosing the right difficulty helps you focus on content that matches your skill level, improving both motivation and results.
Accessing your course settings.
To begin, open the Memrise app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the language course you're studying. Look for the Settings or Options menu, often represented by a gear icon or 3 dots. From here, you can access various controls related to your learning experience, including options for difficulty adjustment.
Finding difficulty adjustment options.
Within your selected course settings, search for options labeled as difficulty, learning settings, or similar terms. Depending on the version or platform, Memrise may phrase these settings differently. Here, you can control aspects such as review frequency, word introduction speed, and reminder intervals, all of which influence lesson difficulty.
Customizing your lesson difficulty.
Adjust the available sliders, toggles, or menu options to set a suitable pace. You might choose to introduce fewer new words per day, increase review intervals, or focus only on difficult words. Selecting higher difficulty can challenge you more, while lowering it allows for a gentler, less stressful approach. Choose what best supports your progress.
Tips for an effective learning journey.
Regularly revisit and adjust your difficulty settings as you advance. If you find lessons too easy or too challenging, don't hesitate to tweak your preferences. Consistent, tailored practice leads to better retention and a more enjoyable learning experience. Remember that personalizing difficulty is about supporting your goals, not competing with others.